afternoon, everybody. Yesterday I was not feeling well, so I couldn't come out in the evening. My friends came over today afternoon and they said, come on, let's go. So okay, yes, we have come out to see Conwy Castle. It is beautiful, but unfortunately I can't fly my drone here. They said, no, you can't fly your drone here. This is the whole castle. You see behind me? This is so beautiful place. But why? Why did the government did not take care of this place? I mean, why is too late? Yeah, I know there is some scaffolding that people are working there. But why to leave it at the last minute? That's my name. My name was written there. Right, which way to go out? Right, that's it, guys. If you like this clip, then share it, comment it. If you don't, then subscribe it. And I'll see you in my next clip. Bye-bye.